What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today, this company sent me a new product for the interior of your Tesla that will make your life a lot easier when you're going on road trips. So in this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing and install and then compare it against a different version that I've had from Amazon from before. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video and let's get into it. Thanks for watching another video guys. If you're new here, my name is Dennis. I used to have a Tesla Model Y Performance, but I just sold it. But I do have a couple Teslas on order, so I'm definitely gonna get one soon. But on this channel, you're gonna find content about Tesla, cars, money, and personal finance. So if you're interested in any of that, please hit that subscribe. So this is the Kickstarter for the Tesla ALSET tray. This is the product that we're actually going to be unboxing. And as you can see, it basically is a pretty built out tray that goes in your center console, and there's just a lot more space and ridges to it. And it just gives you a larger surface area for storing items when you're on a road trip or when you're on the go, so it doesn't fall anywhere. So it's a pretty cool idea, but let's get to an unboxing so we can do an install to see how it actually works with your Tesla. But before we unbox the new Tesla ALSET tray, this is actually the old tray that I've had. It's from Amazon and I probably got it from one of the Chinese Amazon sellers. It's pretty basic. You can see there's a space right here, kind of the same concept where it's a little ridged up so stuff doesn't fall over. And there's a little cup holder area as well. But how this one works is you kind of just attach it to the bottom of the steering wheel like this. It's kind of janky and kind of tough to really install. I've really only used it once to kind of eat some noodles, but let me try and put this on nicely so I don't scratch anything either. But you kind of just have to like angle it a little bit in there like that, and then it basically is a plate on your steering wheel just like this. So of course you're not supposed to really use this while driving because the wheel is basically going to turn and all your stuff is going to fall off. You just attach it like this while you're sitting and eating, and then you can just put stuff on it, and then that's really it. It's pretty basic, pretty cheap as well. So that's why I'm really excited for this ALSET tray, because it looks like the quality is a lot better and a lot larger for you to put stuff on. The only difference is this is kind of a nice tray if you want to put like your computer or your iPad, whereas the ALSET tray in the middle is a little bit to the side, so you wouldn't necessarily put something like that. But I mean, that's why you have a huge Tesla screen in the middle, so you wouldn't need to have a laptop or an iPad anyways. But before we get into the install, I do want to give a shout out. Oh no! But before we get into the install, I do want to give a shout out to my friend Sam for letting me borrow his Model Y Performance. You can tell it's a stealth wrap Model Y Performance with the sick white interior. This is a great looking Model Y with the stealth exterior and the white interior, and he definitely did a good job with how it looks. So thank you to Sam for letting me borrow your Model Y Performance. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. This should be a pretty simple inbox. I can't imagine it's more than one piece, but right off the bat, I mean, of course, this just feels like plastic or a lot of ABS plastic, but that's pretty interesting. So it folds apart into a bigger tray. There's a latch right there in the middle. And then let's take a look at the back side of this. I guess there's two like knobs right here that if you swivel them into place, it locks it into place so that it doesn't fold back. But yeah, I mean, right off the bat, it's actually decent quality. It definitely feels like plastic, but this tray area actually feels really nice. It's like a rubberized mat of some sort, which is really nice so that things, I guess, just do not roll around. This is what the back side looks like. I think there was another piece in here. Huh. I'm wondering, let me take a look. I think this other piece goes right here on the end because there's some other rubber pieces right here that would kind of lift it up. I saw in the other pictures, once you place this right in the middle, this bar is supposed to kind of rest on this edge right there so that it doesn't slide forward, but it looks like something must have happened during the shipment or the production of this. It looks like this piece actually broke off, but that's okay because we can just super glue this and it should be completely fine right here. Let's go ahead and try and install it without that piece to see what it looks like in the middle. From the videos and the pictures that I've seen so far, it looks like this piece goes right in the middle and just rests completely here. So let me go ahead and turn this light back around so we get a better visibility of this area. Okay, so this is your center console by itself that you've probably seen in other videos, or if you own a Model Y or Model 3, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But when you're on a road trip and you're driving around, there isn't really a lot of area where you can put items like your phone and stuff when this is closed. You can certainly open this up and then there's like a drawer right there, but if you wanted a larger space, I think this is where this plate actually would really benefit you. It looks like it's supposed to just kind of rest like this on the back. There are rubber pieces on the back side of this mat, so it's actually really nice and it won't scratch anything. This is kind of how it would stay. It's giving you a lot of bigger surface area. Here's my hand for some size reference, and you can really just put anything you want here. You could put your phone like there. You could fit some more stuff. In some of the videos, people put like McDonald's or all their makeup here. So there's definitely a good amount of area. My phone is an iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 13 Pro Max for some size reference, but this is really good for like road trips. You could put stuff up here if you wanted to as well. But this is actually a pretty cool product. And of course, I'm going to paste a link to the Kickstarter. They're just about to launch, I think this weekend, or hopefully I'll post this video soon. The Kickstarter should be launched so you can get first dibs on this product. But I think this is a lot better of a road trip trade console item than the steering wheel item that we had tested before. So this is a pretty cool product. I actually don't know how much the price is, but looking at their Kickstarter landing page, it looks like the first 100 people get 50% off, which is actually pretty cool. So depending on how much they're going to charge for this, I might think it's worth it, but if you're getting a pretty good deal on it, it's definitely a useful thing for those long road trips, or you're hanging out at superchargers or anywhere on your long road trips. Is definitely super useful. But yeah, I actually really like how this part of the tray is like a mat or some sort of rubber mat. It's actually really nice. Here's a test so you can hear how, like, I guess sound deadening it is. It's actually a lot nicer than something hitting plastic like this other part right here, that's basically what this whole thing is made out of, like other ABS plastic. But I like how they added this nice touch for a mat area. I think on future versions, if they do make upgraded ones, it'd be nice to have sections of this where you could put random items like a phone here, just like how the trays inside this console have sections as well. That'd be super nice, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to use this all the time when you're driving, or only when you're on road trip stops for when you're eating McDonald's or other fast food restaurants. But yeah, thanks for watching this quick video on this Tesla ALSET tray that's about to launch on quick Kickstarter. Definitely check them out if you're interested in this product, and I'll put the link down below in the description. It's definitely a cool, nifty road trip product if you do a lot of road trips on the road that you can use for just store stuff or use it as like a big plate. I think it's definitely cooler than the one that you can find on Amazon that attaches your steering wheel, and it's definitely not going to mess anything up, which is really nice as well. I do like how it folds away and you can store it and kind of put it away somewhere when you're not using it, but I kind of also like how you could probably leave this here while you're driving as well, depending on how fast or what type of roads you're driving on. Yeah, thanks for watching this quick video on this Tesla ALSET tray. Comment down below if you have any questions on it, but I'd love to hear what your thoughts on this tray are, or if you're going to buy it as well. All right guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.